Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best van top cam is probably one of the most essential pieces of equipment for any van life enthusiast or professional driver looking to enhance their vehicle's safety and functionality, offering a crystal clear view of the road ahead and behind, crucial for navigating tight spaces, monitoring traffic, and ensuring peace of mind during long journeys. Number 5. Vantrue E1 Pro 4K Mini Dash Cam. Capture your journeys in stunning 4K resolution with this compact dash cam. Its wide lens ensures no detail is missed, recording crucial evidence like license plates and pedestrians. It's small enough to easily hide on your windshield. Experience advanced night vision that makes license plates clearer, even at night. This technology enhances recognition and reduces motion blur, ensuring you have clear footage no matter the time of day. This device offers continuous protection with buffered parking mode. It records events before and after motion or collision is detected, ensuring you have a complete record of any incidents while parked. Connect effortlessly to the app to download and share videos at high speeds. Built-in GPS tracks your location and speed, while voice control allows you to manage features without taking your eyes off the road. Enjoy uninterrupted recording with its loop function and supercapacitor that withstands extreme temperatures. It supports a large memory card, allowing for extensive recording time. Installation is incredibly easy with the magnetic mount, ensuring it stays securely in place even in hot weather. This device is designed for reliable performance and peace of mind. What we like. If you're looking for a discreet yet powerful dash cam, this is it. Its incredibly small size makes it easy to hide, while the 4K resolution and advanced plate pix HDR ensure you capture every detail, even license plates at night. This is perfect for drivers who want top-tier recording without a bulky device. What people say. The camera has a 1080p resolution, which provides clear and sharp images. It features a wide-angle lens that captures a broad field of view, perfect for monitoring large areas. The night vision capability allows for clear visibility even in complete darkness. Number 4. YEECORE D22 Real 4K Dash Cam. Capture your journeys in stunning native 4K resolution with our advanced dual dash cam. It features a top-tier sensor and unique noise reduction for incredibly clear footage, setting it apart from others. This device records both the front and rear views of your vehicle with ultra-wide-angle lenses. It ensures you capture the entire road, helping you avoid disputes and potential liabilities. Equipped with a superior 8MP sensor and HDR technology, it excels in low-light conditions. You'll get clear videos and images even at night, providing reliable recording anytime. Connect instantly with its built-in 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, which is much faster than standard options. The integrated GPS accurately tracks your location and speed, with a simple, one-cable installation. With loop recording and a G sensor, it automatically saves important footage during an accident. This locked video serves as crucial evidence and won't be overwritten, ensuring your safety. Enjoy a clear view on its new 3.3-inch IPS screen. Designed for eye comfort, it displays videos in the optimal 16:9 aspect ratio without causing visual strain, even during night drives. Benefit from comprehensive security with 4 advanced parking modes. Choose the best option for your needs to ensure continuous protection for your vehicle, day and night. What we like. For those who demand comprehensive coverage, this dual camera system is a game changer. It records in true 4K front and rear, ensuring no blind spots. The significantly faster 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi means quicker access to your footage. If you prioritize clear, wide-angle recording day and night, this is your ideal choice. What people say. The Van Top Cam has a clear and crisp video quality, making it easy to see details even in low-light conditions. Installation was straightforward, and the accompanying app is user-friendly, allowing for easy access to recordings and settings. The wide-angle lens captures a broad view of the surroundings, ensuring no blind spots are missed. Number 3. AUTO-VOX 180 degrees front backup camera. Experience an unparalleled 180 degrees ultra-wide view, eliminating blind spots and making parking in tight spaces effortless. It's like having eyes in the back of your head. This versatile camera seamlessly integrates with most vehicles, including cars, trucks, SUVs, and RVs. It supports multiple video formats for maximum compatibility. Enjoy a true-to-life, colorful image even in complete darkness, thanks to its exceptional 0.1 lux low-light performance. You'll always have a clear view, no matter the conditions. Designed with IP69K waterproof rating and advanced sealing, this camera is built to endure water, fog, and mist. Drive with confidence, knowing it's protected against the elements. Its mini, unobtrusive design blends perfectly with your vehicle's aesthetics, offering a clean, factory look. It's versatile enough for front, rear, or side view applications. Enjoy a screw-free, easy installation process that gets you up and running in no time. Enhance your driving safety without the hassle. What we like. If you need a reliable camera for parking or maneuvering, this is the one. Its 180 degrees ultra-wide angle eliminates blind spots, and the IP69K waterproof rating means it can handle any weather. The discreet OEM mini style ensures it blends seamlessly with your vehicle. This is ideal for anyone who wants a simple, durable, and wide-view camera for reversing or side monitoring. What people say. The camera has a wide-angle lens that captures a broad view of the road. Night vision is surprisingly clear, allowing for good visibility even in low-light conditions. The loop recording feature automatically overwrites the oldest footage when the memory card is full. Number 2. Vantrue E360 ACE 3-channel dash cam. Capture everything with its two 10° plus 2 10° plus 165° ultra-wide lenses. This device simultaneously records front, rear, and cabin views in stunning 2.7K, ensuring complete vehicle protection and eliminating blind spots for safer driving and parking. Transform it into a handheld action camera, perfect for documenting everything from your drive to your adventures. With 9:16 portrait mode, sharing your moments online is effortless. Experience superior image quality even in the dark. Advanced Starvis 2 and HDR technology, combined with 8 IR lights, ensure crisp, clear recordings in any lighting condition, day or night. Enjoy lightning-fast downloads with 5 GHz Wi-Fi and the Vantrue app. Its dual-system GPS logs accurate location, speed, and routes, providing valuable data for insurance claims or disputes. Rest assured with 24/7 surveillance. It automatically records suspicious activity around your car, even when parked, with 10-second pre-recording for complete event capture. Control it hands-free with voice commands in multiple languages, or use the intuitive touchscreen. Save videos, take photos, and manage settings without taking your eyes off the road. What we like. This is the ultimate all-in-one camera for creators and safety-conscious drivers. It records front, rear, and inside in 2.7K, and even transforms into a handheld action camera for versatile content creation. With dual Starvis 2 sensors, your footage will be crystal clear in any light. If you want a device that does it all, from documenting your drive to capturing your adventures, this is it. What people say. The camera has a very clear picture quality, even in low light conditions. Installation was straightforward and the app is user-friendly, allowing easy access to recordings. The wide-angle lens covers a broad area, ensuring no blind spots. Number 1. Vantrue N5 4-channel 360° dash cam. Experience unparalleled protection with our 4-channel dash cam. It captures everything around your vehicle simultaneously, ensuring no blind spots and providing comprehensive 360° coverage. Monitor your passengers and cargo with our unique rear cabin camera. It provides a clear view of the back seat and trunk, offering peace of mind for families and rideshare drivers. See every detail, day or night, thanks to advanced Starvis 2 technology and infrared night vision. It captures clear license plates and cabin images even in complete darkness. Stay connected with 5G Wi-Fi and dual-system GPS. Easily manage settings, share footage, and track your journeys with our intuitive mobile app. Over-the-air updates keep your device current. Our buffered parking mode provides continuous protection for your vehicle. It automatically records suspicious activity when parked, capturing crucial evidence of any incidents. Keep your hands on the wheel with smart voice commands. Easily control recording, take photos, and manage settings without distraction, enhancing your driving safety. Designed to withstand extreme temperatures, this dashcam features a supercapacitor and heat-resistant materials. It reliably records your journeys in any environment. What we like. For unparalleled protection, this 4-channel dash cam offers a true 360 degrees view. The groundbreaking rear cabin camera monitors your trunk and back seat, perfect for families or rideshare drivers. Combined with Starvis 2 for exceptional night vision, it captures everything. If you need complete peace of mind and want to monitor every angle of your vehicle, this is the most comprehensive solution available. What people say. The camera has a 1080p resolution, which provides clear and sharp images. It features a wide-angle lens that captures a broad field of view, perfect for monitoring larger areas. The night vision capability allows for clear visibility even in low-light conditions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.